Good morning. We're just leaving for the day from Bridge 42 of the Shropshire Union, heading towards Nantwich. Hopefully we'll get some shopping and provisions today. Been done this route many years ago, so I can't really remember what we've got coming up. But yeah, it's nice to do it the opposite way round. I think we've got a few locks today.
27.
A bit of a flight. 27 today?
Well, it's 27 to go.
Okay, well, I doubt whether we're going to do all 27 today. We've still got 2 more up before we reach the point of no return, because we still don't know whether the Nantwich lock number 2 is going to be open, but we'll see. So yeah, we'll probably take some footage along the way of the scenery and a few locks, and we'll catch up with you later.
Bye.
So, poor farmers are making a bit of money off boaters. So we've just passed a load of boats, so you had to stay at Tickover, and then all of a sudden you come across a part where you can actually let your revs up, because it's a long straight part and you can't do any damage because it's concrete sides there and then concrete sides over there. So after doing Tickover quite some time, it's nice to actually get the revs up and go ahead. And you're quite high up in the countryside and it's beautiful through the trees. So I don't know how much longer it is. We've got a bridge up ahead, so I'm sure it's going